Good morning, children. This is Prasan sir. Children, in the previous class, we have learned our second chapter, Globe, a model of the Earth. Globe, a model of the Earth. It shows the shape of the Earth, children. It shows the shape of the Earth. We need to study about our Earth. We want one model. It is a globe. It shows the distribution of water and land. Understand, children? It shows the distribution of land and water. We discussed already in the previous class about globe, and we see countries of the world on globe, and we discuss about the shape of the earth. See, the earth is like a ball. Children, the shape of the earth is not perfectly round. At the top and bottom slightly pressed, means flattened at the top and bottom. Say yes or no? And we learn about directions on a globe. You know the directions on a globe? Always top. Top is north, bottom is south. Right is east, left is west. Say yes or no, children? These are the directions on a globe. We can see one part of the earth at one time, and we can rotate the globe. We can see another part of the earth on globe. We make whole part of the earth on globe. It is not possible to make single part on it. Say yes or no? And we learn about oceans and continents on globe. Say yes or no, children? Yes. There are 7 oceans. There are 7 continents. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans. We learn already about the oceans and continents, and we learn directions on a globe. Globe will be fixed in axis. The ending points of axis are called poles. Can I show the globe? Let us see. See, children, it is a globe. Already you have seen in the previous class. Yes, it will be fixed in an axis. The ending points of axis are called poles. These are called poles. Yes, top is north pole. It is north pole. Bottom is south pole. Bottom is south pole, and here it is scale. It is a scale. Understand, children? And we found, you observe clearly exact locations of our country here. Our country will lies in the northeastern part. See, it is in northeastern part of the world. Say yes or no? Northeast. See, northern hemisphere. And we learn about these imaginary lines in this class. You observe the lines on globe. These are called imaginary lines. Some lines are vertical lines and some lines are horizontal lines. Some lines are vertical lines. These are run from north to south. And some lines are run from west to east. These are called parallels. Vertical lines are called meridians. Meridians are longitudes. Parallels are latitude. And the globe will be divided into 2 equal halves by drawing an imaginary line. Understand, children? What is this? It is equator. The equator will be dividing into the 2 parts. Understand, children? Yes. Above the equator is northern hemisphere. Above the equator is northern hemisphere. It is northern hemisphere. And bottom is southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means half circle. Sphere means circle. You know that all. Understand, children? And we learn briefly about these lines today. We learn very briefly about these lines. See children, lines on globe. You observe the lines on globe, you will see lines across the globe. Lines across the globe. Some lines are run from, see, some lines are run from north to south. See, north to south. And some lines are run from west to east. West to east. Circles. West to east. These are called imaginary lines. These are called imaginary lines. Understand children? Yes. See, these imaginary lines drawn by map makers help us to find out the location of a place. Help us to find out the location of a place on globe or a map. We will see how they are drawn in later classes. We will see in later classes how they are drawn. Understand children? Now we will look at the most important lines on globe. And the concept of lines on the globe are called latitudes and longitudes. These concept of lines on globe are called latitudes and longitudes. Understand children? Yes. With the two poles were well known as our Indian ancestors like Aryabhatta, who used terms to explain the places by using these lines. Understand children? By using these lines. Yes, our first topic is latitudes. Our first imaginary lines are called, these are not real lines. We learn, here we see some vertical lines, some are horizontal lines. Understand children? And latitudes. Let us start, the topic is latitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines on globe. Latitudes are horizontal lines on globe. Understand children? These are run from west to east. West to east. See children, these are run from west to east. Can you spot these lines? Yes. Compare the length of these lines. Do you think they are all of the same length? You know these answers very well. You learn in the 5th class about latitudes. Say yes or no? I'll show the latitudes on globe. Observe carefully children, and you underline important points on your textbook and you write down that important points on your notebook. Listen carefully. See children, these are lines of latitudes. Lines of latitudes on globe. Lines of latitudes on globe. See children, it look like circles. Say yes or no? These are small circles which are run from west to east. West to east. See children, west to east, like this. West to east. West to east. Say yes or no? Yes, these are called lines of latitudes and are also called parallels. See children, the length of the parallels, the length of the latitudes are same. You observe it. The length is same. Say yes or no? The length is very same. Understand children? The longest line of this parallel is called C. Suppose the longest parallel line. It is called equator. It is called equator. It divides Earth into two parts. One is northern hemisphere, another one is southern hemisphere, called hemisphere. Two equal halves. These are called hemisphere. The above the equator means northern hemisphere. Below the equator is southern hemisphere. Say yes or no? Yes. And these are called latitudes. Say yes or no? These are called latitudes. Yes, children, listen carefully. Yes, children, these are parallels, means lines of latitudes. Lines of latitudes. See, the length of the parallels are equal. See, the length is same. Understand children? As we move away from the equator, the distance of the parallels, as we move away from the equator, it will be decreasing. See here. it will be decreasing, no? Say yes or no? The length is same and the parallels are not touch each and other. There is not touch and not crossed each and other. Say yes or no? These are lines of latitudes. Understand children? These are imaginary lines and parallels. In the longest line is equator. It will be dividing into the two parts of the earth. The above the equator means two equal halves, means hemispheres. Total is sphere, half is hemisphere. Above the equator means northern hemisphere. Below the equator means southern hemisphere. Say yes or no? Yes. You observe clearly, and here asking one question to you. What is that? Which hemisphere have more water? More water than land. Tell me that answer. You observe the globe and you tell me that answer, and you send me your answers to my personal number. You observe the globe clearly, children, and send that answer. On globe, once you observe clearly. Understand, children? Yes. Which hemisphere have more water? Which hemisphere have more water than land? Understand my question, children? These are lines of parallels. Once again, repeat, the topic is parallels. These are parallels, means lines of latitudes. These are imaginary lines, not real lines. We can use these lines to find out the location of a place on globe and map. Say yes or no? Yes. These imaginary lines are run from west to east. West to east. The length of the latitudes are same. Understand, children? The longest parallel is equator. It will be dividing the earth is two equal halves. One half is means hemisphere. Half means hemisphere. Above the equator means northern hemisphere. Below the equator means southern hemisphere. Understand, children? Yes, I hope you understand well. And next topic is lines of longitudes. Lines of longitudes. Yes, see, children, these are lines of longitudes. What is this? Longitudes. See, you learn about the latitudes. Yes, which are run from west to east. But here you observe clearly, children, the lines which are run pole to pole. One pole to another pole. One pole to another pole. Understand, children? These imaginary lines are run from one pole to another pole. Understand, children? Not like latitudes. Latitudes are run from west to east. But here, these lines are run from one pole to another pole. For example, see, these are run from north pole to south pole. Say yes or no? See, this length of all longitudes are same. The length is same. Say yes or no? Yes. And here you learn the main important longitudes are, one is Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian. Understand, children? And it is also called 0-degree longitudes. Greenwich meridian is very important longitudes. Like in all the latitudes are, one is very important, that is called equator, and you will know that. And here it is, where it is Greenwich meridian is very important longitude on globe. And one more, another one is also there. What is the international date line? It is also called 180 degrees meridian. 180 degrees east-west longitude. Understand, children? Yes, you will learn about these lines very briefly in later classes. Understand, children? Yes, longitudes are imaginary lines. These are run from pole to pole. One pole to another pole. Understand, children? Yes, by using these imaginary lines, lines of latitudes and lines of longitudes, we can use to locate the places on map or globe. By using these lines, we learn easily we can find out the location of a place on globe and map. I hope you understand well. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Understand, children? Yes. Take care. In the next class, we discussed the next topic. Take care. Bye bye.